equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, ensure you have the right tools, a screwdriver, lubricant, and a clean cloth. First, unplug the device for safety. Next, remove the screws on the motor cover. Keep them in a safe place. Once the cover is off, inspect the internal components for any dust or debris. Use the cloth to clean the surfaces gently. This helps in maintaining optimal performance. Now, apply the lubricant to the moving parts. Be careful not to overdo it. A little goes a long way. After lubricating, check for any signs of wear or damage. This is crucial for a professional diagnosis without obligation. Once everything is clean and lubricated, replace the motor cover and secure it with the screws. Remember, you can enjoy pickup and delivery at your home for any repairs needed. No calls, no travel, just convenience. Finally, always request a quote before repair to avoid surprises. Regular maintenance will keep your Silvercrest SKMC 1200 running smoothly. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.